First, place a basket inside. Put the basket you want to clean in there, adjusting the height so that there's just enough space, 2 to 3 centimeters, between the top and bottom. Don't make it too high. Leave about 1 centimeter of space on both sides. This is the nut for adjusting the height, and this is the nut for adjusting the left and right sides. Leave about 1 centimeter of space between them. Then tighten the nuts. Then, follow the same principle. After the basket is conveyed in, adjust the nuts, adjusting the height as before, and then tighten them.